Hello all, I am Avirup. I am going to show you how to bypass web authentication using brute forcing attack. So first of all, let's talk about what the brute forcing attack is. In this attack, we create some possible password list and we try that one by one using any tool. That is how the attack works. And one more thing, some people says the brute forcing attack is not any vulnerability. Actually, the brute forcing is not any vulnerability. It is just a trick for hacking any web login page. But it is not true. The brute forcing is a vulnerability indeed. No login form should accept n numbers of password attempt. If any website is accepting that, then that is going to have a brute forcing vulnerability. So in 2017, the Instagram OTP verification page was this vulnerability, the brute forcing vulnerability. Now in this video, I am showing you how you can perform any brute forcing attack using Bubsuit tool. So you can see this is a simple setup. This is a simple login page. Now I am entering a basic the default credential like admin. It is saying the username and password is incorrect. Login. Then I am trying the one more default credential like admin and 1 2 3 4 5 6 and all that, like login. Again it is saying username and password is incorrect. So basically I don't know what is the username and what is the password. So I need to brute force it. So for the attack, I am using this tool name is Bubsuit. You all know this is a very popular tool for website hacking, and for using this tool, you need to set some proxy into the browser and the same proxy into this tool. I have done all of this thing. Now for this attack, first of all, I am turning on the intercept mode, going to the browser, and just type any kind of password like A and password is B, anything. Now the Bubsuit is capturing my all the data, not my, basically the Bubsuit is capturing the all website data. Now do one thing, right click into this and click on send to intruder. Now the intruder part is blinking. Click on this. So this is my attack target, this is the positions. Then first of all, clear everything. Now choose the proper position, like choose the username value field. Sorry, I am choosing the username value field and click on add, and password value field, click on add. Then you have to change the attacker type from sniper to cluster bomb. Then the third option is payloads. Then there are two payloads, one is payload number 1 and payload number 2. The payload number 1 is for this username section and payload number 2 is for this password section. Now for payload number 1, I am choosing the runtime file. Runtime file means one single word list. I have created a word list. This is my word list. Wait a second. Wait, this one. This is my word. This is the very basic word list. To select this file, just I am just typing the word.txt. Open. For the payload number 2, again you have to change simple file to runtime file. Word.txt. Open. Yeah. Then the last option is, go to the option tag and scroll down. You can find this grep match section. In this grep match section, I have to type the incorrect word. Why? When I was trying to log in the web page was saying that the username and password is incorrect. So I have to write the incorrect tag. First of all, clear everything and have to write incorrect and click on add. Then everything is set. This is my target, the position is set, the payloads are set, and option have enter the grep match. Now go to the target and click on start attack. Now the attack is done. This is the all attack results and all that. Now the website is the brute force is trying the username wrong and password is wrong. It is saying 2200 and the length is 612. The all lengths are same, 621 621 621 621, but this length is some different. This length is 533 and the status number is 302. So you can say this is your username, the username is Ron, and this is your password, ron.123. Then let me log in. Then first of all, close it, go to the proxy, turn off the intercept, browser, login. The name was Ron and password was ron.123. Login. I'm logged in. So this was the brute forcing attack. Thank you for watching. Thank you.